4 kids, and I feel like my body was just wrecked from having 4 kids, and I had a breast aug already done in 2005, so I needed to get another one done, and it was just, everything just fell together, and I just decided to start. And so I went and saw a couple doctors, and I decided here after everybody was super nice. Actually, I met somebody out in the waiting room one of the times, and she had asked why I chose here, and I'm like, because everybody here is amazing. They all treat you like you're a great friend. So I decided to get my breast, I don't know if it's called a switch out or whatever it's called, and my stomach, my muscles repaired, and my loose skin. The process was, I got on the internet and I started searching doctors, and I actually went originally to the doctor that I did my first breast aug with, but I chose not to go with him, and I went and saw a couple doctors, and I just Googled ones in the area, and I really liked the reviews that he had gotten and the statements, that was the stars and the people's opinions on him. So I decided to come here, and yeah, I really liked it. I would say to not be hesitant. Even if it's something you're kind of thinking about it, I would just go and do it, because you will be so happy. Yes, the first month, I would say, is like, you're never, what did I do kind of thing, but after that, it is, I feel so much better. I feel happier. It's so much, I wouldn't hesitate. I would do it. And I've actually given many of my friends the referrals and told them just they should go do it, because they really like the way that I looked. And so I tell them to stop thinking, just go in. It's different because now I don't have to wear loose shirts. Like I said before, I had 4 kids, so I had a lot of excess skin. I had a lot of stretch marks, especially on one side of my stomach. I worked out a lot, and I felt like I could never have a nice stomach. I felt like I was always just saggy and wearing baggy shirts. And now I wear tight shirts, and I wear shirts that show my stomach. And I love my breasts, and I love my stomach, and I love my belly button, and I like to show it off, and it's great. So I feel like I've opened a lot more of my closet up, and I was very excited to start shopping for midriff shirts because I've never owned one, and now I own too many of them. My favorite interaction with Dr. Prucz was, I would say, the times before pre-op when I came in, and the at ease that he made me feel, the excitement he made me feel, and how great I could look. I was super excited. I think with his excitement, it made me really excited to jump in and get going. And I felt really comfortable, and he's easy and fun to talk to. Like, he's relaxed, and it makes you relaxed. And he's super gung-ho, and I was super gung-ho at that moment. And yeah.